Randall's Island. So, I didn't know I've ended up in a migrant island. Ward's Island is now converted into a migrant shelter. The entire segment. Wow. I didn't read up. I didn't know anything about it. Wow. The folks, wow. The entire world has been emptied out. This is very sad because we've done this project for a very long time. In the sense, I didn't even know there's police cars, and wow, this is incredible. Wow. So that's the Robert F. Kennedy Bridge, this one, and the Hell's Gate Bridge. It's just over there. It's a bridge day for me. It's amazing. That's an Amtrak train, so you can't get on that one. I'm going to go closer to it and then get the bus. Tribeca Bridge in downtown. I'm lost in the middle of... couldn't even get the ferry actually. No plans, no maps, no apps, just getting lost and then trying to get around to different places. And it's incredible. I should get the ferry actually, because that's a quick option into get a good view of Manhattan also at the same time. Robert F. Kennedy Bridge. Yeah, have you seen this angle of Manhattan? The jungle. Wow. Native plants, garden. Look at this. Look at what they've done to that. Look at what they've done to that bridge. It's all that graffiti. Sad. Respect, New York Fire Department. Keeping the officers fit. That's it, keeping the officers fit.